If you're approaching video editing or Premiere Pro for the first time, or you simply want to refresh your knowledge about this software, then this is the course for you. Video editing is exciting, challenging, and sometimes it can fix the work of a bad videographer. Oops, I said it. So it comes with great responsibilities and rewards. Here we will build together solid foundations of the whole video editing process through Premiere Pro to also get ready for more advanced techniques.
Rolling! Action!
Ciao, my nickname is Mamware. I've been video editing since 2001 and I've built my career as a professional video maker and video editor, working for a decade for companies such as Sony Pictures and MTV, for which I was editing and cutting trailers for movies and television content. I'm now a full-time digital content creator and a YouTuber, and I've worked with companies all over the world actually, filming and editing a huge and varied amount of videos. If you want to know more about me and my career, then please visit my profile page. At the beginning, we'll cover in depth the main features of the software for you to become familiar with the interface, and we'll then move to the basics of the video editing process. We'll learn how to create and organize projects, how to edit, apply effects and transitions, how to mix your audio, how to color correct and color grade your videos, how to add captions, how to export your final product in different aspect ratios for the online platforms. And of course, we'll cover also the most useful keyboard shortcuts. It will be a lot of fun as we'll work together on a different project for each section. Different kinds of footage, including mini docs, interviews, travel vlogs, and sports videos. This will give you the ability to learn different editing styles and also to become very flexible with your workflow. At the end of each chapter, you will also find a quiz and an exercise to complete on your own. But don't worry, because you will find also an exercise review where I complete the exercise myself, so you will be able to double check your work. Are you ready to challenge yourself and learn a lot of new skills? Enroll now to my Premiere Pro course for beginners.